FENG, the Lamborghini Veneno. Veneno means venom in Spanish. But this is a 1/24th replica. So instead of this big huge car, which is beautiful, but really tiny, maybe not that small. That small. And anyway, come over here real quick and let me show you what's inside, and from what I can see how beautiful it looks, and then a little bit later in another video I'll show you how to use it.
Shut up and sit down.
Go ahead and put her down and let's do some driving. Alright, now bring her back around, and as she comes towards me, you'll notice the rear lights are on because she's going backwards. Now if you turn around, come towards me with the front, you'll notice, there we go, the front headlights are turning on. That's pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and let's see some detail there. Beautiful looking car. And that's about it. Again, this is Iggy with This Bites For You, showing you the FENG Lamborghini Veneno. Iggy with This Bites For You out. See